This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's glove box, squeeze in the sides and lift it from place. Unscrew the centre pin, prise out the plastic expansion rivet, then unclip the front section of the centre console side panel. Undo the 4 Torq screws and remove the filter access cover. Slide the pollen filter element from the housing. Remove any dirt and debris from the housing. A vacuum cleaner is ideal for this. Note the arrow on the side of the filter element indicating airflow. The arrow must point to the rear of the vehicle. Slide the element into the housing. Refit the access cover and tighten the screws securely. Locate the lugs at the rear of the side panel into their clips. Then insert the plastic expansion rivet and press in the centre pin. Manoeuvre the glove box into place, squeeze in the sides and close it.